Our journey begins with cognition, the brain's masterful way of thinking, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. It's the brain's cognitive skills that enable us to tackle everything from simple tasks to complex intellectual challenges. Next, we delve into sensory processing. Our brain is a master interpreter, receiving and processing information from our sensory organs. This interpretation forms our perception of the world around us, whether it's the taste of an apple, the scent of rain, or the touch of a soft fabric. Motor control is another essential function. From the delicate dance of fingers on a piano keyboard to the simple act of walking, our brain controls both voluntary and involuntary muscle movements. Memory, the brain's unique storage system, comes next. The brain stores and retrieves information, a function that includes temporary short-term memory storage and more permanent long-term memory storage of experiences and knowledge. Our brain also serves as an emotional regulator, processing and managing our mood, reactions to stimuli, and emotional responses. It's what makes us laugh at a joke, feel joy at a reunion, or experience sadness at a loss. Language processing, another critical brain function, enables us to understand, produce, and communicate through language. It involves specific areas like Broca's and Wernicke's areas, allowing us to turn thoughts into words and words into understanding. Perception, the brain's way of interpreting the world through our senses, helps us recognize shapes, colors, patterns, and objects. It's what allows us to differentiate a circle from a square or blue from green. Our brain also controls our ability to pay attention, filter out distractions, and switch between tasks when needed. It's this functionality that keeps us focused on a book we're reading or a conversation we're having, despite the world buzzing around us. Autonomic functions, those vital processes we often take for granted, are managed by the brain. It takes care of things like breathing, heart rate, digestion, and body temperature regulation. Learning, the acquisition of new knowledge and skills, is a primary function of the brain. It's what allows us to learn a new language, master a new sport, or simply remember a new recipe. Our brain also plays a vital role in creative thinking, imagination, and innovation. It is what allows us to generate novel ideas, dream up new solutions, and see things from a fresh perspective. Social and interpersonal skills are also a brain function. Our brains enable us to understand social cues, empathize with others, and engage in complex social interactions. It's what makes us human in a social sense. Sleep regulation, the brain's control over the sleep-wake cycle and various stages of sleep, is crucial for restorative and cognitive functions. It's what helps us feel refreshed after a good night's sleep. Hormone regulation, an interaction between the brain and the endocrine system, influences growth, metabolism, stress response, and other bodily functions. Problem solving, another key brain function, helps us analyze problems, plan solutions, and adapt to new challenges. Whether it's figuring out a complex math equation or finding the best route to work, our brains are always solving problems. Consciousness, our awareness of self and the external world, is another vital function of the brain. It's what allows us to introspect, reflect, and be aware of our own existence. Finally, integration. The brain integrates information from different parts of itself to create a unified perception of the world and coordinate various functions. It's the glue that holds all of these functions together, making us who we are. In conclusion, the human brain is an intricate network of neurons and neural circuits that allows us to process information, adapt to changing circumstances, and support our overall well-being. As research continues, we are sure to uncover even more about the brain's complexities and expand our understanding of its functions. It truly is the most complex structure in the universe, and it resides within each and every one of us.